welcome back to Paint It Kids. This is our first favorite things episode. So for this episode, we're just going to be going through and letting you know what our top 5 favorite things are. And today we're going to be going over our top 5 favorite YouTube channels, kid-oriented YouTube channels.
Yeah.
So, because I have a lot of YouTube channels that I like a lot.
But this is, and you know, like, we both have kids and we teach elementary school students and middle school students, so we like to follow other people that are doing similar things to us, but maybe in a different way. So you'll get to see a couple different styles, and we will tell you why we love these 5 channels.
Right. So, so let's get started. So we'll start with our first favorite thing. So our first favorite channel that we want to talk about, it's called Happy Drawings.
This one is so cute.
This one is, if you want a definition of cute, this is the definition.
It's super cute, and what I love about this one is it is very simplified. It's very, you can tell it's broken out, easy shapes. So for our younger viewers that are maybe 4 years old, 5 years old, this is a great one to start on. But these are so cute. Seriously, my teenage daughters would be drawing these on their folders. So it really appeals to a wide range of ages.
It's all around just absolutely adorable.
Yeah.
And
unicorn cake. I love the unicorn cake.
The Maximus. So, and what I love about this channel is it's cute, but it's also it's all how-to videos. So it's endless. You can just go one right after the other. And it kind of reminds me of like an anime style, like a cute,
yeah. Oh, definitely.
If you were to go to Japan, this would be like when my sister would come, she goes every summer. So if she came home from Japan, I feel like she would hand me, like if there was like some sort of mascot, it would be one of these things.
Yeah, and they get the little sparkle eyes.
The sparkle eyes, and it's adorable. So if you want something starting off simple, cute, just all around fun, this is a great channel to start. So this is Happy Drawings. So there's an S at the end of the drawings.
Yep.
Okay, so our next shout out is Art for Kids Hub.
And my kids love this channel. This is a great one for all ages. Definitely elementary age kids could draw all of these. Like this is a wonderful channel, and what I love about him is that he posts every day.
Every day.
So and I mean, to come up with this many ideas.
I mean, there's so many ideas, and he has so much energy.
Yeah, and so it's fun just to watch and listen to him, and then he also has his kids draw side by side with him. Right. So I think it's kind of nice to see like the artist drawing, but then you also see like a 5-year-old or a 7-year-old drawing and see what theirs turns out, and these turn out great. And there's so many different things. I mean, he does a lot of characters. He does a lot of seasonal stuff, a lot of animals. I mean, I think I remember seeing like a food truck. I mean, really everything.
Origami. I know that they did something. I can't remember what it was, but they were like at the grocery store, and there was like this cute little stuffed animal thing, and they brought it home and drew it.
Yeah.
Because they were just like, this was just adorable, and we saw it at the store, so we decided to bring it home and draw it.
Yeah, this is it's a really, really fun channel.
Oh, is the
Cutitos?
Yeah,
it's like a burrito, but it's cute.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Bear.
It's like a bear.
It's a burrito.
Something like that.
I haven't seen that
one. And
he
has smiling toilet paper. I mean, it's really just you can tell that with this channel specifically that his kids help with it. Like with the ideas, they're very family oriented. It's just a really fun channel to watch, and I would recommend it. And what's nice about this is you can be in elementary and starting middle school, and you can still enjoy the channel.
Oh yeah,
there's a big variety, and that's what makes it so nice. Is just the variety and how much content there is. So our next channel that we like, our number 3, it's called Draw It Too. And this is a little bit step up from our like cutesy stuff and everything. This guy is fantastic. If you are into comic books, graphic novels, and are really into traditional inking and just that sharp look, this is a channel for you. And what's great about this is it's a great reference for anatomy. Like if you're trying to figure out how to draw anatomy, how to draw people, this is a good place to start. Because he's some of his characters, like all superheroes are exaggerated, but they're pretty spot on with their proportions and how they look. And so especially if you're interested in the process of having this kind of a style, I highly recommend this guy. And he's fun to watch too. And he really, you can tell he has a passion for what he does, and it reflects very well in his work. And so I highly recommend this. If you're starting to get into comic books and graphic novels and everything, DC Marvel, this is the place for you.
All right.
So our next channel that we're going to talk about is called Draw with Jazza. And this is a great channel.
Yeah, he's really, really funny. So
super
just
funny.
Fun to watch.
Fun to watch. Great guy. He does material reviews. He does challenges. He does how to draw things, and then just like fun, goofy art things. Like trying to sculpt with hot glue gun. Yeah, like just super fun things. And then he talks about certain topics, just things in the art world and that kind of thing. And he's just overall a super, super fun guy to watch. And with his stuff, I'd say there's a pretty big variety, but I think his audience is kind of more geared to like middle school and high school kids.
Yeah, definitely older with this guy. But yeah, like Jessica said, it's a lot of variety here.
But even if your kids are younger, like there's still tons of videos that he has that are just really fun to watch. And he does have some really good beginner, like starting to draw in your own sketchbook and anatomy and that kind of stuff. Like he has some really good stuff on that. So he's just, I highly recommend him. Super fun and super funny. All right, so our last channel we're going to talk about is 3D Drawing Academy. And this guy's great. As you can see, like he does all these drawings that are basically, making you think there's something there on a
that isn't there,
paper. So he is the definition of taking something two-dimensional and making you believe that it's 3D, which is basically what art is you're just making people believe that there's something, like a real character or a landscape or something on a flat surface. So he like goes above and beyond that, honestly. I can never do stuff. Like I can draw stuff like this, but it is just not like, I'm not like, oh yeah, let me go draw this today. So it is amazing to watch him. It is honestly, it's memorizing. Like you sit there and you just start watching. You're like, oh my gosh, this is.
And this is a really, really fun channel. And most of the stuff on here is, again, it's a lot older, middle school, high school level.
Definitely a lot older.
There are a couple. I know the 3D ladder drawing my son has done. So there's some that are there's a couple that are younger, but even if you're not gonna draw along, this is a fun one just to watch.
Super fun one to watch. And what's also nice about this one too is it really helps you understand like just kind of the fundamentals of drawing and kind of getting your head wrapped around how to make something look three-dimensional just by using like simple little things. Like people think it's super complicated, but it really isn't. It's all just an illusion. We're like,
and watching his watching the thought process and how he does that.
Right. And so it's a great channel to watch, and I highly, highly recommend it. So. All right, so those were our favorite YouTube channels, and we might make another one at some point because we have a lot of art channels that we love and enjoy. But if you guys liked this video, then go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to check out the channels that we went through, the link is going to be in our description below. And honestly, guys, they're amazing artists. We love being a part of this artist community. So go to their channels, subscribe, like their stuff. They work really hard at what they do, and they deserve the support. So and they'll all be in the link, and I'll list them by their title of their channel, so that way you know which link goes where.
Yep. And then if you guys have any ideas of other favorite things that we could review, let us know in the comments below, and we would love to do another one of these videos about our favorite things.
Yep. And if not, then we'll just come up with something.
We've got lots
of favorite things. So we got a ton of different things. So we hope that you liked our favorite things, and we'll see you guys next time.